Two people edit the same file, one saves, the other saves. One of them just silently erased the other's work and then nobody got an error. Files have no rules, no locking, no validation, no recovery. Scale that to thousands of users and millions of records, and chaos is inevitable. Welcome to Database Systems, a course that teaches you how data is really stored, queried, and protected at scale. You'll go from what a database actually is, through writing real SQL queries, designing normalized schemas, mastering joins and aggregations, all the way to transactions, indexes, and how databases work under the hood. Every app that stores data needs a database. Query it wrong and it's slow. Design it wrong and it breaks. Understand it, and you build things that actually hold up. The data is waiting. Let's build the foundation, starting now.